Hi everyone, my name is Pitchayapak, and Thai people, but I would prefer to have lounge food, and my favorite menu is Lung Prabang papaya salad. It's papaya strip and spicy sauce, spicy and salty. I like this menu because it's easy to make and tastes delicious. Anyway, today I'm going to cook special menu. It's spicy hot Pitchayapak mala. This is my favorite menu. It's Chinese food, it's spicy and salty. I would like to introduce this menu to everyone. Let's start making it. And there are 7 ingredients. Mala soup, Chinese cabbage, potato, golden lettuce mushroom, pork, vermicelli, and egg tofu. First, set off the pot and add the mala soup. Then, wait for water to boil and the pork. Next, add Chinese cabbage and golden lettuce mushroom. After that, add egg tofu and vermicelli. Finally, wait until everything is cooked. Scoop into a bowl and enjoy eating.